DJ Trinity quietly doing her stuff this morning, kind of like her. She behind the scenes and she's not taking over the place as some of us do. All right, we move on, folks. Jerk chicken is an important part of Jamaican culture, but for our next guest, it has become much more than a beloved street side staple for Syrena, Likkle Jerky Jackson, and her mom, Kaydia Forbes. So Likkle Jerky, what there? Now you may talk about, so this traditional craft has grown into a thriving business and an unbreakable family bond. By the way, me a part of the family now, coming over here.
Yes, definitely. Good morning
Good
again.
morning, guys. Well, go on, you good?
Yes, excellent.
You have an interesting story.
Yes, I do.
Tell me about why you started this and how it started and stuff. And where were you when you decided, say, you can't bother with that, you want this?
Okay, I was working at a call center, right? It was a bit stressing for the fact that they keeps on going over certain stuff with you, and it wasn't working out for me. So I decided that I wanted to do something else with my life, but I didn't know which path to choose.
Yeah.
So I've been talking to my mom, because every time when I came home from work, I always come to mommy. I've been crying to mommy because mommy is my best friend. And mommy was like, Syrena, what do you want to do? I was like, mommy, I think I love to cook. I think I want to go into culinary. And she's like, do you want to start off with the jerk chicken before you start school? I was like, I think that's a good idea, mommy.
Yeah.
And she was like, okay, I'm going to invest in you.
Beautiful.
If you do not want to do it, you just let me know, okay? But I'm going to start you off. So what mommy did, mommy carried me to the world. I was a bit shorter than I was now, to be honest. Mommy carried me to the welder, and he custom made a jerk pan to my height. I did have to stand up on a little crate though, because I was on the sidewalk and it was taller than me. And he custom made that jerk pan. I started jerk chicken from the age of 9.
9 years old.
9 years old.
Hold on, man. Stop there. Why you led her to that? Why you led her that route?
Definitely, I need to teach my children what I know best. And being sick and having hyperthyroidism and everything, and I don't see a way out for me because I was very, very ill, didn't see that I was going to make it. So I say, if I forbid whatever, she's supposed to know what to do to survive, to take care of her younger siblings. And she's the head of everything. She's my best friend. So I have to teach her so she can make something of herself. And it become a business.
How are you now?
I am great. I did my surgery the 25th of June, 2025, thank God. I've overcame a lot. Still going through a little bit of rough patch, but honestly, I'm feeling great. God is good.
God is great.
Yeah.
So you started at 9.
Yes.
You never nervous?
No.
No? People like your food?
Yes.
Oh, you know.
They always tell me.
So what do you do and where do you do it?
Okay, I do jerk chicken with ackee sawfish, fried breadfruit, fried fish, pressed green plantain, festival. I do vegetable soup, fish soup, and red peas and chicken foot and cow skin soup. I do that at 35 Constant Spring Road every Monday at Uptown Mondays. Then I do Stone Love on Wednesdays, where I do jerk chicken with just red pea soup. Then I went ahead and find another spot at 98 Barbican Road, that's across from Raw Bar.
Yeah, man.
That's where I met Quiet Perry.
Yeah.
I do jerk chicken right there and soups on Sundays.
So you don't have a specific spot that you work from? So you move around,
I move around until I'm working towards building my restaurant.
Beautiful. And you're going to help there to do?
I'm going to be the backbone. I like to be the backbone.
How does this make you feel? You must be very proud to see what
Very proud for my firstborn to inherit the love of food like me. I just love to cook and love to please people and love for people to tell me,
Brilliant.
This is great.
What have you brought this morning?
Okay, I have ackee and sawfish here. I have jerk chicken over here. Then I have festival with fried breadfruit and pressed green plantain.
So you bring breakfast for everybody?
Yes, I just found out that you didn't eat ackee.
No,
I
good.
deeply apologize about
You
that.
don't have to apologize for nothing. And what is this?
That's chicken foot with red pea soup over there.
Chicken foot with red peas. I can lift it up?
Yes, definitely. All right. This is the texture and everything. You have everything in it. Your corn, your chicken foot, your food, everything. Very lovely.
If you never see how Kyle behaving when he so Kyle don't eat for about 2 weeks.
This morning you've got to eat.
He will eat this morning.
Yeah.
What?
Want to
Yeah.
serve now? Okay.
Jerk chicken. Would you like me to chop a piece?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man. Clive, where is Clive? Clive is the taster, man.
Nice quarter. Right here.
What's up? Hey. Well, like, so wicked, you know.
But
All right, so Kyle hungry me, okay, Kyle. You want that, sir? Yeah.
how do you want? No, pepper and ketchup.
You want pepper and ketchup?
The lady said you want pepper and ketchup. Yeah, he wants pepper and ketchup.
Okay. Pepper only. Okay.
Yeah.
We have a special sauce that we made for the chicken
By the
as
way,
well.
if you don't know where the food is, ask Joe. Yes. If you don't know where the food is, come taste them, man. Get them, man. That is for Kyle. That is for Kyle.
Yeah.
But this man him is the official taster.
Here
Right?
we go.
Yeah.
Nice to have you on the program.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me.
Let me get you another piece. Which piece do you prefer, though?
Leg and thigh.
Wow.
Leg and thigh,
That's so
bossy.
nice.
Well, him no eat from about Wednesday.
This morning, I'm going to feed him now. All right.
Right, the aroma.
Yes, my baby.
Syrena, you told me all the different things that you cook, and did it say oxtail and all that too?
No, not today. I
No,
wasn't
not
prepared.
today, but you told me overall what you
Yes.
what you do.
Would you like pepper and barbecue sauce?
I want to try it authentic.
All right.
All right, my darling. Here you go.
Oh no, we don't need that.
All right, the real Jamaican.
Take care. Jody, you want to be involved in this? Can you just sort out Jody doing it for me?
Which piece would you prefer, Mama? A leg and thigh or
Come on, she just said which piece would you prefer?
Leg and thigh.
Well, I know.
Thank
I'm
you
sure.
so much.
Wait, I have to show you this. So she said to Jody, which piece you prefer? Jody goes, so. Jody goes, so. Leg and thigh.
Wow.
Jody, that win. That win. So where are you next, in case anyone watching?
All right, tonight definitely will be at 90A, as in 90, the letter apple, A Barbican across from Raw Bar. Right in the middle, so they can't miss.
you want pepper and ketchup?
Friday,
Jody, you want,
Saturday, and Sundays.
what time you start later on?
I will be there, everything will be ready by 10 p.m.
Okay.
10 p.m.
And you go till what time?
And we go straight back till 4 a.m.
Oh,
The next day.
Yes.
And you get good support there also?
Yes, the people them love the food, love the chicken, and them love Likkle jerky.
You want festival breakfast?
Festival or breakfast.
By the way, only your man always said Jody and Shorty Patty. Share here. And if you want to know where the food is, where's the food?
And if you want every single thing, we're definitely up everything every Monday at 35 Concert Spring Road.
Beautiful.
Mondays, right at Uptown Mondays, we are located. Everything we have there.
All right.
Here you go, my beautiful girl.
Thank you so much, Mommy.
You're welcome, my baby. All right.
Owner of Dancehall Jerk, Kaydia Forbes, and daughter
Likkle jerk.
Syrena, Likkle Jerky.
All right.
Coming up next, chatting with Mr. Morgan, soon come.